Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.